In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view in tablet mode in WordPress. It's a simple process that will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to seamlessly preview how your WordPress site appears on a tablet. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to wordpress.com. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to make your way to the homepage of WordPress. It's a good idea to have your login details at hand to make this process as smooth as possible. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login option. It's usually at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to begin the login process. Next, you'll be prompted with several ways to log in, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll choose to continue with Google. So click on continue with Google. This option is great if you prefer not to remember multiple passwords, as it allows you to use your Google credentials. Go ahead and select the Google account you want to use. Make sure it's the account associated with your WordPress site for seamless access. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, focus your attention on the right panel where you'll find a section labeled Quick Links. Under Quick Links, you'll see an option to Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to access the editing interface of your website. This is where the magic happens, so hang tight as your website editor opens. With the site editor now open, you'll see an overview of your website. To proceed, click on your website title. This is generally located towards the top of the interface. By clicking here, you can access more specific customizations and viewing options. Now direct your eyes towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled View. Clicking on View will offer you different perspectives of how your site can appear on various devices. This feature is extremely beneficial as it allows you to understand and tweak the user experience across different formats. Finally, you want to switch to tablet mode. In the drop-down menu under View, you'll notice options for different devices. Select Tablet. This will modify the view instantaneously, displaying your website as it would appear on a tablet device. Take a moment to observe the layout and functionality. It's an excellent way to ensure your site is responsive and user-friendly for tablet users. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through WordPress to view your site in tablet mode. This feature is essential for ensuring your design and content will look just as you intend on a tablet. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.